In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear the cache and cookies in Microsoft Edge, a process that can help enhance your browsing experience by freeing up some storage and resolving minor website issues. Let's dive right in. First, open up your Microsoft Edge browser. This is where we will begin our journey to a cleaner and faster browsing experience. Look towards the top right corner of the browser. It's here you'll find the three-dot menu. By clicking this, you open a drop-down list, and from there we need to select Settings. This takes us to a hub where we can manage all browser functionalities. Once in Settings, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here you'll see various options, but the one we're interested in is Privacy, Search and Services. By clicking this, we enter the section designed to keep your browsing efficient and secure. Within this section, there's an option labeled Clear Browsing Data. Clicking on this gives you the chance to manage your stored data. Once you've clicked on Clear Browsing Data, a button labeled Choose What to Clear will appear. This prompts a pop-up window where the magic happens. Here, you have the option to choose a time range. This is crucial when deciding how thorough you want to be with deleting data. You can opt to remove data from the last hour, or go all out and clear everything from all time. In the same pop-up, there are checkboxes for different types of data. For our purposes, make sure you check cookies and other site data, along with cached images and files. These are the essentials that typically need clearing to fix website glitches or speed up the loading process. Should you wish to go further, you're free to clear additional data like your browsing history and saved passwords, though this is entirely optional. Once you're satisfied with your selections, it's time to take action. Hit the Clear Now button and wait a moment as Edge processes the command. Your browser should now be free from the selected stored data. For those looking to go a step further, consider setting your browser to automatically clear data upon exit. Head back to Privacy, Search and Services in Settings. At the top, you'll see Clear Browsing Data on Close. Here, toggle on the types of data you want to be removed each time you close Edge. This ensures that your browsing keeps running smoothly without any manual intervention each time. If you prefer shortcuts, there's a faster way to access the Clear Browsing Data window. Simply press Ctrl plus Shift plus Del on your keyboard and it'll take you directly there. This method is handy for quick access and efficiency. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you maintain a swift and secure browsing experience with Microsoft Edge. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.